Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can quit driver. So quit action will quit from all the browsers that are open. So here we are opening and see quitting a browser will throw an error because by default nRoBo handles this operation while the browser is no longer required and test is about to complete. So nRoBo closes all the browsers that are open and referenced by current driver reference. So we actually no need to call the quit method because nRoBo framework itself handles uh, clean quitting of browsers um, windows. So, but just for illustration purpose, I am preparing this test just for illustration how quit method works. So it quits closes all the browsers that are open and referenced by current driver instance. So here exception is expected. What we are doing here, we are creating page object, opening this URL. This is not required window name, and then clicking on multiple windows link, and then clicking on new window link, and it will open a new window, and let's run the test. The last one is page.quit, that is doing the task of closing all the open windows. Let's run it. -key and test method name. Here test started running, and browser instance spun up. Open URL, click on multiple windows, and here we can see this exception is come up, and that is expected. Thank you.